Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to show you the watch box by Slege. This is going to be the model with the 8 slots. As you can see right here, we have this very beautiful display that can accommodate up to 8 watches. Here I have some of my watches, as you can see: Rolex, Casio, Hamilton, Festina, Zenith. We also have a G-Shock and another chronograph watch right here. And the cool thing about this one is that it has this extra drawer, so this extra compartment that you can close and pull out, and here you can deposit all of your jewelry. Here is my wife's jewelry, one of her watches, and also two of my extra leather watch straps in case I want to interchange them. You can also put some of your watch tools here, so the spring bar removal tool, and this is how it is going to look. You can easily close it, and you also have a bunch of colors to choose from. This is going to be the black finishing. As you can see, the finishing is really nice, so I really like the color and also the quality that they used. The hinges are also very nice, as you can see, so very nice attention to detail. Also, the cushions are going to be very soft, so that is going to be something really cool. You can see that they feel very nice. So guys, in case you are looking to purchase a very nice, luxurious looking watch box, I would definitely recommend to go and grab one of these. It is really nice, and your watches are going to look, as you see, very beautiful.